My prediction about podcast. First of all, the podcast is booming like a hill. Many people are becoming too much of high valuable thing in doing only audio format world. And the most important thing is podcast will be the next generation of beating Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Believe me, it will gonna to happen. If you're not still able to start it, then start learning from the experts or beginners because they know what the types they will know about the podcast field. Why I'm saying again podcast means it doesn't mean what the people is consuming, only matter whether you consume or not. Understand what the depth of podcast and what is mean by value of Instagram is everyone using for building brand, but there is a more trick is podcast. When start doing podcast right now, I'm feathered in most of the things like best Karan Kumar Mastery podcast, best ruler podcast, everything. I'm a beating best in myself, but still people are didn't able to consume what I'm telling right now, and I'm forcing to people just start, but they refuse to start. I don't know what things I can able to tell you the people, but only one fact: if you guys can able to start podcast, then wait for my turn. Definitely it will happen, because once upon a time predators will be the game changers of the world, not in the world, in the history also. Predictors are the winners also. That's what I am forcing everyone, and I'm taking call in my friends or colleagues. I say just do a podcast, it is the best future in upcoming days, but they refuse to do. I don't know what things I can able to tell to those people. If you can't start, then learn first. Easiest way, the podcast is not a very hard fucking way. Easiest way, you need only microphone to record and publish, that's it. People are buying earphone for listening music, it's fuck. But my intention, if you buy the earphone for your purpose, it's okay, but to showcase someone people, it's fuck. I am also starting podcast only through microphones, not have any fucking excuse for me. Just started June 22nd 2019. After the consistency, I had got too much of results, which is right now also booming in this current scenario. That's a value. I know what the value would be. Most of the people are talking about podcast, but still people are doing. Instagram is the future, Facebook is the future, Twitter is the future. Yes, it will be the future, but it's too hard to implement. But in podcast doesn't mean. In postcard you need to record only audio format to build your brand or your service. Let's take in Instagram, Facebook means you need a face to record what you be and who you be. So think like that. Be a early adapter. That's what my mindset triggered. If I can't able to be an early adapter, then someone is winning in my journey way. So think and do. It's not my prediction, it's every successful online business world people also doing this podcast, because that much of value we gonna be. So do right now and enjoy the way. Thank you.